Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be going to explain you about the most important feature of Python, which is why Python is called as a dynamically typed language. So in all over internet, we have always been studying about that Python is called as a dynamically typed language. But let us understand in this video tutorial why Python is called as a dynamically typed language. In this session, we will explore one of the key features of Python, that is its dynamic typing system. So Python is known for its simplicity and ease of use, and dynamic typing is one of the reasons for its popularity among the programmers. To simplify technology with Khushbu, in this channel, we are going to simplify the technological terms related to Python first. So let us first understand what is dynamic typing. Unlike statistically typed languages like C++ or Java, these are called as statistically typed languages. Dynamic typing allows variables to change their data types during the runtime. So in C++ and Java, when we declare a type of variable, we cannot change the type of that variable at runtime. But in dynamically typed languages, the data type of a variable can be changed during the runtime when the program is running. This means that you don't have to explicitly declare the type of a variable before using it. So Python automatically determines the type of a variable based on the value assigned to it. Let us see how. So the variable declaration and assignment in Python, you can assign a value to a variable without specifying its type. For example, when you write x is equal to 10, it will assign the value 10 to the variable x. So the interpreter will recognize that x is an integer in this case. Now automatically the integer will recognize x variable as an integer type. And later we can assign a different value of different type to the same variable without any issue. So this is the advantage of a dynamically typed language. So when you write x equal to 10 and when you write print x in the code, the output you will get is as a 10. Again, when you write x is equal to hello world in double quotes and you again give a print x command, you will get the output as a hello world. So you can change the value of x according to the type of value the data type of the variable x will change. So how memory allocation is done in dynamically typed languages? Because when we declare a variable in C++ and in Java, the memory for that variable, like if we declare an integer variable, so that means 4 bytes of memory will be allocated for that integer variable in the memory of the computer. In dynamically typed languages like Python, memory is allocated based on the value assigned to a variable. As the type of a variable can change at runtime, Python must allocate memory dynamically to accommodate the different types. So the memory allocation is also done dynamically. Operations on dynamically typed variables. Dynamic typing allows you to perform operations on variables without worrying about their type. Yes, for an example, for instance, you can add an integer and a string, and Python will automatically concatenate them. This flexibility enables faster development and prototyping methodologies. So let us see an example of this. Suppose there is a variable and name x and we assign a variable value 10. Similarly, there is a variable y and we assign a string value apple. And then when we print x plus y, the output will be 10 apples. So the Python interpreter automatically concatenate the two variables of different data types. Now, dynamic typing challenges. So while dynamic typing has its advantage, it also presents some challenges. As the type of a variable can change at runtime, debugging and error handling become crucial at this moment. It's essential to write unit tests and handle potential type-related errors to avoid the unexpected behaviors of the code. So in the last, Python's dynamically typing feature allows for greater flexibility and faster development. It eliminates the need for explicit type declaration and facilitates the mixing of different types at runtime. However, it requires cautious programming and thorough testing to handle the dynamic type changes effectively. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Python as a dynamically typed language. I hope you have a better understanding of the feature of Python, which is dynamically typing system. Thank you so much. The practical will be, I will show you the practical of all these things, all these examples in my next video. Bye-bye.